for his opening statement.
Thank you very much, Chairman Foster, and thank you for convening this very timely hearing on a very important topic. I'm looking forward to hearing from our witnesses, and I'm particularly excited about this hearing because it gives us the opportunity to highlight the incredibly important role that our research community has had in fighting this epidemic. I believe that many of our federal researchers are the unsung heroes of this epidemic, and I also believe that the development and deployment of the vaccines that have been accomplished in the last few months will go down as one of the greatest scientific achievements of mankind so far. So it can't be understated the incredible role that our research community has had in combating this virus. Unfortunately, though, it's clear that much more work needs to be done. If we look at the emergence of the different variants of COVID-19, it's clear that we need to invest more in research and development so that we understand a lot of the questions that are still unanswered. For example, the way that these variants emerge, whether or not these variants cause more or less severe illnesses, whether or not they're more or less transmissible, and the way that those variants respond to the various vaccines that have been developed, and the way that we can develop vaccines in the future that anticipate those variants. So it's very important that we continue this investment in research into not only human biology, but epidemiology and the spread of these variants. And I also want to highlight the important role that Congress has to play in stimulating this kind of research. The federal government is an absolutely critical source of funding and of focusing attention on these efforts. And we need to continue that investment. I know that this Science, Space, and Technology Committee is considering a number of different bills that will continue that investment, and I fully support those efforts. I want to highlight one in particular, H.R. 2153, the Securing American Leadership in Science and Technology Act, which authorizes Department of Energy Infectious Disease Research Program. I think that that's incredibly important, and I hope that that's something that's going to get attention in this committee. So, Mr. Chairman, thank you very much again for convening the hearing, and I'm looking forward to hearing from our witnesses.
Thank you.